it is always a good idea for you to have a traffic attorney to represent you on your traffic case in Alabama, to provide a buffer between you and questioning by other parties in court. And that could include a clerk or a magistrate, it could include the judge, and it could include the prosecuting attorney. Many times in court, if you're representing yourself and you present before the judge may ask you certain questions such as, have you ever attended a driving school class before? Have you ever been ticketed previously? Have you pled guilty to, or do you have a conviction for a traffic offense within a certain period of time? By hiring an attorney, it doesn't mean that those questions may not come up or they're not going to be answered or answered truthfully. But if you hire a traffic attorney and we are able to go through the process and negotiate your case and resolve it by agreement prior to you being subject to questioning or subjected to having to be examined by the clerk or the judge and questioned, it would be to your benefit to have a buffer there so that those questions can be resolved by agreement with the prosecutor rather than going through and having you subjected to those questions on the front end. Those questions will likely still have to be answered, but it's much better if they can be answered in an agreement with the prosecutor rather than you being automatically disqualified for whatever reason from being able to resolve your case without a conviction with conditions, which could include payment of court costs. It could include some period of time where you are not to receive any further citations, or it could include payment of an administrative fee, or it could include defensive driving school. There are various conditions that could be added to your case to be resolved. So the bottom line is, you don't want to subject yourself to a line of questioning that you can avoid, because you could open yourself up to being disqualified for a resolution that could include having your charge dismissed. I'm Joseph Kreps. I'm a traffic violation defense attorney in Alabama. I've handled thousands of cases in Alabama for people who live in Alabama and people who are from out of state. If you have been ticketed in Alabama, whether you live in Alabama or whether you're from out of state, we want to talk to you. Call our office to learn more and to join in the discussion about your case. We'll help you to understand what you're charged with, help you to understand your options and the process and the procedures that we would take to work through your case with you and get you the best result possible. You can reach us at 866-348-2889, or you can reach us on the web at trafficticketattorneyinalabama.com. Thank you very much.